Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Evan with Variety 3D, your product design and prototyping specialist. Today we'd like to show you behind the scenes what it takes to turn a stereolithography 3D print into a solid bronze metal casting. So for this demonstration I've downloaded this awesome looking human skull on Thingiverse by PixelCloud and I've imported it into the 3D printing software. The 3D printing software takes the 3D model, divides it up into layers, and posts it as a G-code program that the 3D printer can then read. So here we are next day. The printer took about 6.5 hours to finish. It looks great. Just gonna take it off the printer here, let you guys have a closer look. It's kind of hard to tell because it's a clear resin, but once we get the wax duplicates of it, it'll look great. So this is what the print turned out like. This is at the coarsest resolution, and it turned out great. This is after post-processing, like cleaning and the final UV curing. Yeah, it turned out really good, so onto the molding. So here's the silicone mold over the 3D print. So the next step is to pour wax into here. So there you have it. That's how you turn a digital file into a stereolithography print and then into a solid bronze casting.